This tutorial will show you how to fade out footage in Capcut PC, online free video editing software for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Alright, so step 1 to fade out footage in Capcut PC free video editing software is to click on your video clip or video that you would like to fade out. And basically I have a keyframe already, so I'm going to click delete right here. We are going to add a keyframe and we're going to go to the top right hand screen and click on video. Go to basic, this is the first option, and also the first option next to audio. And then underneath transform, you want to click blend, as this will pop up the mode and the opacity. Now click on this right here underneath opacity and you can drag this to the right. See how it fades in? But in this case, we want to fade out our video clip. So I'm going to go towards, let's say right here. You can choose to add a cut by clicking B on your keyboard if you want, and click A to deselect, and then go back. In this case, I'm going to add this keyframe or this diamond icon. It adds right here on our video clip. And then I'm going to go to the end by clicking the down arrow key and the left arrow key once, or you can just scroll to the very end. And then opacity, we're going to drag this to the left, or let's do it a little bit before. It's now 0% and it automatically added a keyframe, or should I say this is what this looks like. Notice how it fades out